Everything is coming from Allah. Actually, I heard that Taco Bell is made by Allah. You know, but hey, Muslims, isn't the bell is haram? And Allah, He hate the one who ring the bell. You know, you remind me of something here about the bell. This idiot Muhammad, because he hate Christianity, so he told his followers that the bell is the instrument of shaitan. Is what? The bell is the instrument of shaitan. Read it. The Prophet said the bell is one of the musical instrument of shaitan. Look here. I just noticed that shaitan, he is multitask person. He don't only play bell, he play bell and drum and Billy Clinton and Hillary Clinton. He play all but this is one, brother, this is one of the musical instrument of shaitan. Like, what the heck? And then the funny Muhammad, he say in different hadith, like, what the heck with this guy? Muhammad, he received Quran in a sound of a bell. Like, what? I thought the bell is the instrument of shaitan. They asked Muhammad, this is sahih, how does the wahi is inspiration, and you Muslims, I don't know how you can call it inspiration, because if Muhammad, he received delivery by a guy, that is not inspiration, you idiot. That is delivery. I mean, even the word they use is very funny. And then how inspiration come to you? He said, at the time, it come to me like a ringing of a bell. Like, what the heck? This Abdul Muhammad, he just forgot that he taught us that the bell is the instrument of shaitan. Can you believe it? Muhammadans, can you believe it? You don't believe it? I don't believe it too. You know, always I ask myself, I like to ask myself, you know, I'm like Muhammad sometimes, I talk to myself. I imagine things, brother. So as long Muhammad, he received the inspiration as a sound of a bell, so how Muhammad, he made the Quran in Arabic? Unbelievable. Brother and sister, the Prophet of Allah, he received the Quran at the sound of a bell. And then after the voice comes in his head, like a ring of a bell. It comes from the other side as... What the heck? Do those people use their brain? How the guy, he received Quran in a sound of a bell and then he made it Arabic? Shouldn't he? What is the chapter of Taradam Taradam? Hey Muslims, do we have a chapter? It's called the bell chapter, and all what we hear there is the bell sound. Taradam Taradam. And how this guy, he say that the bell is the instrument of shaitan, and he himself, he receive a sound of a bell? That means he is receiving a sound from shaitan. So I'm truly convinced that Prophet Muhammad is a true prophet. But after tax, nothing left.